Guys, I think I have actually found a cheat code on how to continuously capitalize with the arbitrage trading opportunity on Bybit. And apparently, over the past days, I've been able to continuously spot arbitrage trading opportunities, effective arbitrage trading opportunities, by the way, and implement those opportunities to see some good results. And as you can see on your screen, over the span of 24 hours, I've been able to raise over 33 USDT just by doing this exact arbitrage trading I'm about to show you in this very video. So you might want to consider watching the video all the way through so as to get to understand this better and potentially see how you can implement this in your own way to also see results like this. But apparently this is not of financial advice. This is based off of educational purposes, as crypto trading is subjected to an higher risk. So you should understand this and get to do more research if you're looking to take decisions based off of this video, as it is not meant to give you any stable source of income. So right after putting out that disclaimer out of the way, let me show you how this is going to work. So first thing first, you will need to click on trade at the bottom center there, and then you click on spots, and then you click on this cryptocurrency icon as well. Once you click on there, you get to now choose any cryptocurrency based off of spots under USDT, to be precise, as that is the one we'll be using to do all of this. So pick any coin based off of this section. There are hundreds of them, if not thousands of cryptos you can potentially use in doing this. So for the aspect of this very video, I'm going to be going for this very one called let's go for this one called XLM. This is the one I'm referring to. So once you've choose any of your preferable coin, it is time to spot the opportunity. But before we get started, if you don't know what we are doing here, what we're basically doing is arbitrage trading on a centralized exchange. So when I'm talking about centralized exchange, I'm referring to the likes of Bybit, Binance, Mexi, or you can literally do a quick Google search of the centralized exchange that is supported in your region. This will help you know if this can also be done on Bybit or Binance or Mexi, or pretty much any centralized exchange that is supported in your region. And it is also referred to what we call triangular arbitrage trading as well, not only centralized arbitrage. It is also called triangular arbitrage, in a sense that you're going to be taking an advantage of the different prices of a particular cryptocurrency on one particular centralized exchange. And in this case, the centralized exchange is Bybit. So the cryptocurrency in this case is XLM. So you're going to now search for XLM in the search bar on your spot trading account, and you're going to now see varieties of cryptocurrencies that are being traded on the XLM we're referring to here. So that's where the triangular arbitrage comes in, because you're going to be looking for the currency that is trading lower and the currency that is trading at a much higher price, and that's how you exchange the currency that is trading lower to the one that is trading at a much higher price and retain the profit. As simple as that. So not only looking for the differences, you will need to look for an higher differences, by the way, because as you can see, these ones are relatively closer to each other, which practically do not have an huge opportunity. So that's the more reason you still need to look up varieties of them. There are literally hundreds, if not thousands of them. So let's probably still look up this one called Link. Like I've told you, it can be done on any currency provided the currency is trading, has a very decent trading volume. So in this case, we have Link as well. And as you can see, I think Link This is crazy. Link is at 8411. Meanwhile, the other one is at 8393. That's so huge. So as an arbitrage trader, all you're going to be doing right now is to buy it on USDC, the link USDC, and then sell it to the link USDT and retain your easy profit. The strategy says buy on link USDC and sell on link USDT. So that's what I'm going to be doing right now. But before then, you guys should consider getting access to the mentorship. It is very, very necessary because it will help you, get to understand it better in a more detailed way. And by the way, mentorship students are the one killing it in arbitrage trading, in my own personal arbitrage trading community. So try as much to, reach out and let me see how I can guide you through on how to get access to the mentorship so that you can not only, watch how I do it, you can also think of doing it as well in your own way and make money as well. So right now I'm going to be buying from USDT. I'll be getting USDC. And the way I always say, understand how the market works. I'm not telling you to do a whole lot of work. Try to know the basics, because if you do not know what order book is in arbitrage trading or in cryptocurrency and you're trying to do arbitrage trading, that's where your failure starts from, for real. So try to understand how the order book works. Order book is simple. When you're looking to buy, let me give you a rundown of what order book does. When you're looking to buy, you cannot buy from your fellow buyers. If you're looking to buy instantly, like you just want to buy this coin right now and just do your thing. If you're looking to buy, you cannot buy from your fellow buyers. You are buying from the people that are willing to sell. And if you're looking to sell on the other way around, you are not selling to your fellow sellers. You're selling to the people that are willing to buy. And the people that are willing to buy are at green. They are on green. And the people that are willing to sell are on red. So if you're looking to buy, you should be looking at numbers on the red section. So the numbers start from 1.0012. Look at the numbers you should be looking at for here. The price at which you should be buying for. So that's how it works. And you cannot buy at an expensive price. You're looking to buy cheaper. That's the aim. You cannot likewise sell at a cheaper price. You're looking to sell at the most expensive price. And the expensive price on the buyer section, the most expensive price is 1.0011. And the most affordable price to buy at on the seller section is 1.0012, if that makes sense. So order book plays a very significant role in this. So if I should ask you a simple question here, where are we going to buy at? That's the cheapest price are we going to buy at? That's 1.0012. As simple as that, if you understand what I'm saying. So you're going to put in your order to buy at this 1.0012. If you put it at 1.0011, you're going to now remain on the queue and wait for a little longer so that you can also, think of making to the market, if that makes sense. As you can see, we are now making to the market, and let's wait. That's how the market maker works. But if you take out from the 1.0012, you're taking out like you're just becoming the market taker. That's how it works as well. So for me, we are looking to, try as much to buy it instantly. So I'm going to change it to 0012 and then I'll click on buy. And that's how your order is going to be filled, apparently. And then we go over to this other one called link USDC. And the way we're going to be buying this is simple. We're going to be buying it from we're going to be queuing alongside with the buyers, because it says 50% off taker fee. A lot of people see this and think, oh, am I going to make a mistake? They're just starting to like panic and doing all sort of like stuff. Don't worry, this is not meant to give you any heart attack. It's only meant to give you a clue that if you're taking out from the market as the one we took out earlier on the USDT USDC, you're going to be getting 50% discount off your trading fee. Trading fee is initially 0.1%, like predominantly, but if you're taking out, as it says here, you're going to be getting 50% off it. So that means you'll be paying 0.05 instead of 0.1 initially. So that's the advantage of this 50% off taker fee. But if you're making to the market and your order remains on the order book as the one we did here, we did previously, you're going to not become the market taker. Rather, you'll be becoming the market maker, and you might end up not getting the 50% of the trading fee. So that's how it works. And I do advise people to make to the markets, like pretty much, because it is the best way out rather than just taking out from where you don't know. So let me make to this market, and we're going to wait for this order to be filled, and it should be filled in a couple of minutes. And that's how you do it. Although we're not going to be getting that 50% discount, and which is also preferable, because 50% discount is nothing, 0.1% is nothing to the amount of profit that this is going to bring if you do it exactly how I'm going to be showing you in this very video. So nothing should be worried about. Just do your thing, get the right information, and see some good results along the line. So let's wait for this to execute, and I'm going to get you all back. So apparently, after a couple of minutes, the link USDC was successfully executed, as you can see on the screen. So the aim is to sell it now to the link USDT, and that's how we're going to be making some outcome in this. As you can see, we are ending at about 334. Meanwhile, we started less than that, if you can recall. So that was like a very cool way to capitalize with the little differences. And if you can do this up to 10 times in a day, you will get to realize that at the end of the day, you might probably stand a chance to make some substantial amount over time. And that's how it is done pretty much. So do also like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. You'll not get to miss subsequent videos like this, because subsequently I do upload things like this, and to help you boost your trading knowledge and your motivation. So, but do not try this. Absolutely, do not try it. You probably need to have a little background knowledge of how cryptocurrency works.